Oh yeah.
So we recently bought 2 Korean Pokemon card packs, courtesy of James Inho Chung, King Claw Chung. We're gonna open them right now.
It's not me. It's 350. 350.
James, you open it first.
Rachel,
Yeah.
who that?
Is that a minus?
That's mine?
But in Korean, minus?
Oh, what's this? I can't see. Oh, mine. Oh,
Minong?
I like the Korean one. It makes it cute. Shelugon.
Shelugon.
Oh, what a pixel.
Bullpix?
Oh,
Is that hollow?
where's the red card? Oh, Zinnia. Quiet right now. The heck are you?
보송송.
Go Flappy.
Yeah, 맞아.
Mosong.
보송송.
Six tail? Oh, this is adorable. Let's get Korean.
Yeah,
Mosong song, you my favorite.
보송송. We'll begin. Mine.
Oh, that's Darmanitan.
What does it say in Korean?
Holbi Dharma? Holbi Dharma.
돌비 닮아.
Korean. Shana?
Shana.
Dude, I had to give a full art card. I saw a little peek.
No way.
No, I don't know.
No, stop that.
Like, you can read so fast. I had to read so. I saw a full art.
Oh! 솜솜고.
Jump. It's called Som Call.
It's shiny though.
You have a hollow.
You have a hollow.
That's good. Where's mine?
Oh, and also James. He so kindly. He bought me. Woo! If you know, you know. If you don't know, you better know.
音の呼吸一の型轟け
Dude, freaking baller.
Adorable.
Keep
Too
it.
cool and adorable.
Thank you, James.
Should I make Hedgie jealous right now?
How are you gonna make her jealous?
Yo, Hedgie, I'm in a vlog too. Oh, look. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Let me eat it. What?
Oh!
Yo, eat this PK. Roll. Dang it. Roll. Dang it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah.
No! Oh! I did. Oh. I'm so sad.
I'm so lucky.
Oh, so sad.
We logging out. Ooh. What does that mean? What's that so seductive or something?